I mean, are y'all ready for this sleigh though? It's about to go down. Definitely stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney, and welcome back to You Thought It, I Said It. Today I'm actually going to show you guys how I actually braid box braids over sister locks. Pretty much this lady actually have sister locks. They're like micro sister locks, so it's a lot of them. And she actually have color on the ends, which is harder to tuck. And when I say tuck, I pretty much means hide the hair. Whatever type of hair you see that it's her natural hair, we have to hide that hair today. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna tuck the hair and we're gonna hide it. So as you can see, I am actually tucking away her natural hair, her sister locks, because we need those to not be visible at all. You see it? Kind of hide the hair, shift it a little bit, cover it with some actual weave, just to make sure that it's not like coming through, because you don't want to see that. You want to try to hide as many as possible, or as much as possible. And also I do about 2 to 3 dreads or sister locks depending. It's actually a little bit difficult sometimes to hide the end of the sister lock because some of them have buds on them. If they have buds on them, yeah, it's a little hard, but it's possible. As you can see, the whole braid is actually tucked at this point. This is a really good protective style. So if you know someone that has sister locks, they can definitely be braided. Very nice, smooth braid. Okay. And guys, I have been doing hair for ever since high school, or actually middle school. I've been doing hair since middle school. So I pretty much do hair every day. I will try to record more videos for you guys because it's really not easy. Y'all see my son in the background? Don't mind him. As long as he got the remote, he's fine. So what I'm doing is I'm actually plaiting this plait all the way down to the end. I prefer to do that. You don't have to, but that's just something I like to do. This young lady was actually getting butt length braids. So that's why the braids are so long. This is a close-up, guys. Do you see the perfection in the braids, guys? Come on now. Come on now. Your girl is good at what she does, ma. Hey. All right, so basically what I do here is I actually put jam on the hair. I like to use the jam extra whole just to keep the braids intact. It actually grips well, so I like it. So pretty much I am actually going to be gripping the hair again. And when I grip the hair, I really just like to place the hair on the sister locks because again, I don't know how to do it any other way. That's like the best way that I can honest to God do it. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm just going to be tucking the sister locks. I actually have about 3 in this plait. So I'm just going to be tucking them so that you can't see them. And I can tell y'all that sister locks are a little bit rough. They're rougher than a dread to me. So I don't like to do a lot of sister locks because honestly, it cut up your fingers. It's a little rough on the skin. It's like they're baby knots or something. I don't know. But I can definitely do them. It's easy. And yes, guys, I do hair with nails on because, I don't know, I can't just walk around here with nubs. That ain't for me. My nails must be done or it's going to be a problem. This is a close-up, guys. All right now. Come through, girl. I'm trying to get a close-up for y'all so y'all can really see. I'm kind of hands-on, but I can't tell y'all. Watching YouTube videos will help a lady out. When I need to find something or I need to do something, the first thing I do is go to YouTube. So for those who do dreads or do sister locks and it's not to perfection, don't worry, I got you. just gonna do a couple more so that you guys can really see. And again, I think for this one I have about 2 sister locks. And she has the micro sister locks, so they're pretty small. But she didn't want big braids. She wanted them actually kind of small, so the least amount of sister locks, the better. You definitely can't do 1 though. That's not enough. Most of the time, the sister locks aren't strong enough to hold a bigger braid like that. So I like to double them up. Sometimes triple them up too. Just tucking away, tucking away. The more you do sister locks and dreads or tucking period, it gets easier. You actually can move kind of fast when they come down to it. Because I used to be much slower than this. See, I was messing up. I had to take that out. Like, I can see that sister lock, girl. Now I'm trying to tuck the end, the bud. When you get to that bud on one of them, boy, it's hard. You gotta do it right. Gotta put up or shut up. There we go. There you go, girl. Look how neat they look, y'all. Look at the ends. Yes. Perfection, baby. This is a whole full head. I asked her, was they heavy? And she said, no, ma'am. She absolutely loved them. This was her first time ever getting braids over her sister locks. Look at those roots. Gripped it all. Thank you all so much for watching. Definitely be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.